Welcome back to DP Tutorials. Today, I'll show you one of Excel's simplest yet most powerful tools, the drop-down list. Here's a simple data set. We have a list of employees, their departments, and we want to add a status column where we can choose between options like active, on leave, or resigned. Instead of typing it manually 100 times and risking typos like active, let's make a drop-down list. Step 1. Select the cells in the status column. That's column C here. Step 2. Go to the top menu and click Data Validation. In the dialog box, under Allow, select List. Then in the source box, type your options separated by commas, like this: active, on leave, resigned. Click OK, and boom, you've got a drop-down in every row. Now when you click on a cell, you'll see that little arrow, and your choices appear neatly. No typing, no errors, no chaos. Now let's make it smarter. What if you don't want to type the options manually? You can use a cell range instead. Let's say you type your options in another sheet or side column, like this. Then go back to your data validation box, and in source, select that range. For example, equals F2 to F5. Now your drop-down list pulls options directly from the cells. So if you add another one like transferred, it appears automatically. Bonus trick: dynamic drop-down list. Here's the cool part. What if your list keeps growing? You can create a dynamic named range using the offset function. Go to Formulas, Name Manager, New. In the refreshed box, type this formula: equals offset dollar F dollar 2 0 0 counter dollar F dollar F minus 1 1. Give it a name like status list. Now, use equals status list as your data validation source, and your drop-down list updates automatically every time you add new items. Bonus tip: color coding the drop-down. Want to make it more fun and visual? Use conditional formatting to color the drop-down values. Active, green, on leave, yellow, resigned, red. It makes your report look pro and easy to read. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, format only cells that contain, and set the colors for each value. And that's how you create a drop-down list in Excel, like a total pro. Now your data entry is faster, cleaner, and honestly, a little more satisfying. If this video saved you from spreadsheet frustration, hit that like button, click subscribe, and drop a comment below saying, "Drop-downs made easy." Thanks for watching DP Tutorials. See you in the next video.